How are you? Hello children, how are you? I hope you are well at home. Okay, so in the last class we learned about Vomna's journey. That is the sixth lesson. Okay, so Vomna and Radha both are best friends. So Vomna and Radha they plan to go to other places in their summer holidays. But unexpectedly Radha got an accident. Her leg was fractured. That's why Radha's family cancelled their tickets. But Radha's mother gave an idea to Vomna to write a diary. What happened in your journey, you have to write in your diary. Okay, so that is Radha's mother idea. Okay, so then Vomna started her journey. So in the last class we discussed about her journey, some part in the last class. Okay, we have to continue in this class from the window. What she saw from the window. That means in their journey. Okay, see here. So it is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. Okay, so morning, it is morning. What was the time? It is 7:30. Okay, the last night she went to sleep early. Okay, so it was too dark to see anything outside. That means she couldn't see anything from outside. Okay, when the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Mad Gone. That was written on the board at the platform. Okay, so when she woke up, that means she woke up at 7:30. Okay, when she looking outside, she saw a board. That means that is Matcon station. Okay, it was written on the board at the platform, but she couldn't see anything outside. It is too dark. Okay, so Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. Who said? Her Appa said we were going through the state of Goa. Okay, we got off at the station and had some hot tea. Okay, so what was the station? Matcon station. Okay, they had a hot tea and filled their water bottles. Okay, the train started again. Okay, when they take hot tea and they fill their water bottles, then their train was started. Okay, I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. Okay, hills covered with trees. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away, behind the hills, more water. I can't make out if it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. Okay, so how is the scene? She cannot describe. Okay, that means she cannot explain the beauty of the nature. When she is looking outside, that means she saw from the outside. How it is? It is so beautiful. She cannot describe. Okay, that means it is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, and the hills covered with the trees. That means full of green. The hills are covered with green trees, and sometimes she can see small ponds. Ponds means some small water bodies. Okay, from far away, she cannot describe is it river or sea. Okay, children, that is the beauty of nature. Okay, so and the air is too cool. Okay, not too dry, as in Ahmedabad. The train passed a level crossing. Level crossing, see here. See, this is level crossing. Okay, see from here, trains was running. That means railway tracks. See here, buses and lorries. So this is a level crossing. Okay, the train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. There are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tongas and bullock carts. People with goods in them. People and goods in them. Some people do not switch off engines of their vehicles even while waiting at the level crossing. There is a lot of smoke and noise. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is. Okay, so at the level crossing, buses, cars, lorries, tractors, bullock carts, auto rickshaws, so many members are waiting to cross the train tracks. That means they move from this side to that side. So that's why they are waiting. Okay, they are waiting to cross the level crossing. Okay, so there is too noise and smoke. Why? That means so many members they do not switch off the engines of their vehicles. Okay, while they are waiting at the level crossing. That's why there is too noise and lot of smoke. Okay, children, and some people going under the bars of the level crossing. They are running, they are walking on the bars of the level crossing. It is too dangerous. Okay, so when automatically train came means it hit us. Okay, then we met an accident. Okay, so it is too dangerous. Okay, don't go like that. Okay, children. At times, our train crosses in the train. Unni and I tried to count the carriages in one such train, but both the trains were going so fast. We always got confused. Okay, we also doing like that. Unni and I, that means her cousin. Okay, they count to coaches. Carriages means coaches. ఎన్ని బోగీలు ఉన్నాయని కౌంట్ చేయడం అన్నమాట. We also doing like that. మీరు కౌంట్ చేస్తారు కదా? Yes, but it was confused. Why? Because both the trains move with very fast. Okay, so both the trains were going so fast. That's why we got confused. Like us, Unni and Omna also got confused. Okay, children. Okay, next. See here. So later I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Suddenly the sound of the moving train changed. How it is khut 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 like that. I opened my eyes and guess what I saw. Our train was crossing a very big river on a very long bridge. As it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different. Okay, did you listen such kind of sounds? Yes, when we move on water bodies means rivers, okay, seas, not only those small bodies. So when we cross the small bodies, there we listen some different kind of sound like khut khut khut. Okay, so such kind of sounds was listened by Omna. Okay, so how it was sound like that? That means the wheels rattled as there was no ground, only the tracks and the water down below. So that's why rattle means that means they move from one place to another. That's why shake. they shake, rattled. Okay, so why? Because so below the train tracks we don't have any land. It is covered. It has full of water. That's why the wheels of train was rattle, shake. That's why we listen such kind of sound. Okay. So when I first looked down, I felt giddy. Giddy means dizzy. It was really quite scary. Scary means fear. The river down below was full of water and had some boats. I could also see some fishermen. Okay, so we also fear. Okay, and we feel giddy. Giddy means dizzy, వికారంగా అనిపించడం, కళ్ళు తిరిగినట్టుగా అనిపించడం. So when we see from the window, we feel like that. Like you, Omna also felt. Okay, and she also scary. Okay, children, and she sees some fishermen on the banks. I waved at them, but I did not know if they could see me. Okay, alongside our bridge, there was another bridge for buses and cars. This was built differently from ours. I think going over our bridge was more adventurous. Okay, so that means not only there, in our surroundings also. See, in Rajahmundry, in river Godavari. In the river Godavari, we have two different kind of bridges. One is for trains and the another one is for buses, lorries to cross the river. Okay, Omna also see such kind of bridges. Okay, children. Okay, next. The last few hours have been so exciting. Exciting means wondered. Okay, so after breakfast I climbed on to the upper berth to read my comics. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly everything became dark. It also felt a little cold inside. I was afraid. Then the lights in the train came on, but outside it was very dark. Somebody said, "We have entered a tunnel." Okay, so this goes right through the mountain. The tunnel seemed to go on, and then just as suddenly we were in daylight again. Outside it was sunny, bright and green. The train had crossed the tunnel. Appa explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. Since then, we have passed through 4 small tunnels. Now I am enjoying going through the tunnels. Okay, children. Tunnel means artificial road. Okay, under the mountains. So if we want to cross the mountains, how can we cross? We cannot climb. Okay, train also. That's why they dig the mountain and they arrange the train track. Such kind of arrangement is called as tunnels. Okay, artificial underground. Okay, okay, children. Okay, so when after the breakfast she climbed upper berth and she read the comics. That means some story books. Okay, suddenly what happened? Everything became dark. చాలా చీకటిగా అనిపించింది. Okay, she was afraid. You also afraid. Okay, so then what happened? Automatically all the lights in the train came on. Okay, somebody said we entered the tunnel. Okay, tunnel means underground, artificial underground. Okay, so she also afraid. Okay, children. Okay, so this go right through the mountain. The tunnel seemed to be go on, and then just as suddenly we were in daylight. So when we crossed the tunnel, then what happened? When we entered the daylight, then we saw bright and greeny fields, sunny atmosphere. Okay, So Appa explained. What he explained to Omna, we were on the other side of the mountain. Okay, we have passed through four small tunnels. He explained like that. Now I am enjoying the tunnels. Okay, next. Now it is afternoon. What was the time? 12:15. Okay, for lunch we had idli vada. Also, okay, when we go to long journey, we take some food items. Okay, for lunch we had idli vada that we bought from Udupi station. They bought from Udupi station. Okay, what they bought? They bought idli and vada. We also bought some bananas also. Okay, so these were very small and very tasty. Okay, bananas are very small and very tasty. The scene outside has changed again. Now we can see many coconut trees and green fields everywhere. Amma says that these are paddy fields. The houses and villages look very different. People's clothes are also different from what we see in Ahmedabad. Most people are wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris. Many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. People have also got onto the train from different stations. Okay, children. So they bought something to eat. Okay, for lunch. Okay, so they bought idli, vada, and some bananas. Okay, the scene of the outside also changed again. How it is? So from the outside, Sisha, coconut trees, green fields everywhere. That means everything outside is very greeny. It is greeny fields. Her mother said, these are paddy fields. Paddy means very polar. We also see in our surroundings. Okay, and houses are also very different, and their dressing, that means people's clothes are also different from us. What she said from Ahmedabad, she saw from Ahmedabad and she compared, and it is too different. Most of the people wearing white and cream colored dhotis and saris. So it is too different. What she see in Ahmedabad. Okay, and many people who were with us from Ahmedabad, that means who are traveled with her, they got off. Okay, so they got off in different stations. Okay, children. Okay, Sunil's family is getting off at Kozhikode, which comes at around 6 o'clock. We have changed address and plan to meet in Ahmedabad. We will also like Sunil and Anne. Okay, so Sunil's family also traveled with Omna's family. They got off at Kozhikode station. Okay, which comes at around 6 o'clock. Okay, they exchanged their address and they discussed to meet in Ahmedabad again. We also discussing like that, na? We also exchanging our address and phone numbers. Okay, like Sunil and Anne. Okay, will you do like that? Yes, we also exchange our address with our friends. Okay, next. Now it is night. We have also started packing up. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. That is where we have to get off. Okay, what was the time? The time was 9:30. It is night. They start their packing their luggage. The train will reach Kottayam. Okay, tonight we will go to Valiamma's house. Tomorrow we will take the bus that will take us to Amama's village. We all are quite tired. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. What a long journey it has been. We had a lot of fun. I will put my diary away now. I will write again after we will reach Amama's house. Okay. So who is Valiamma? So Valiammas means mother's mother. Okay, in Malayalam they call as Valiyamma. In our surroundings we call as Peddamma. Mother's mother we call as Peddamma. Okay children? Okay. So when they reached their Amamma's village, so they quite tired and they take rest and they have to enjoy their journey. Okay children? So it is too long journey. Okay, we had lot of fun and they had to put their diary away from. She has to write their diary after they reach their Amama's house. That means she has to plan their journey in her diary. Okay children? So after watching this video you have to read your textbook. The lesson, 7th lesson, From the Window. Okay children? Thank you.